Hello everybody, welcome to a new video by Technoguy Game God, and in this video I'll be teaching you something new in Python, which is a new module also known as the random module. So before in my videos I've taught you the time module, and in this video I'll be doing the random module. And just in this video I will be teaching you two functions of the random module, the choice function and the random function. You'll see as we go. So I create a new file and I'll start. And before that, I encourage you all to please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and also hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates about my new videos. Alright, so I'll start by naming that random module. And I'll import the random module, import random. And just to be specific, I will import the function randint from the random module. Alright, so when I'm done with that, I will show you the syntax of generating a random number using this module. So first you have to create a variable var something equals random.randint, and okay, sorry about that, it's random.randint, and in brackets I'll be specifying the range of numbers. Alright, so that's the syntax. Let's go on and see if that's okay. So I will create a variable x equals random.randint, random teacher, and my range of numbers will be 1 and 5. Any number from 1 to 5 will be printed. It should be random. And finally I will print x. Let's see if that works fine. I will save that. I will save that as Technoguy Game God, and I will run that. Alright, that's okay. I'll save that, and good. So it prints a random number 4. Amazing. So we can run that again and again, and you can see that its value changes every time it is run. Great. It came back to 4. Okay, so that's the random module, and I'll also be showing you the choice, random.choice. So before that I will create a list. So my list shall be named list1, and I will include the elements, all the letters A, B, C, and D, E, and F. Alright, so that is my list, and I want to choose any random from this. I use the random.choice function. Okay, I'll create another variable y, which will be called random.choice from list1. We can also run that by printing y. Alright, so I'll print that. I'll print both, and alright, so that's the first one, and it prints D randomly. We can run that again and see if both change. Or yes, 3F. So that is a random function, guys, and it has a lot more dot keywords over here after the dot. So functions, there are so many other functions in the random module, and I'll just be covering 2 over here because these 2 are the most important in the random module. Okay, some bonus thing over here. I am also going to import the time module now. And what if I want to print each time a random element after 1 second with a loop? Alright, I'll do that with a while loop. So I want this to be finite. So I will be declaring a variable x equals 1, and if I say while x equals, if while x is smaller than 10, I will print the random element from list1, so which is y. So I will increment x by 1. I won't print x because that's not what we want to do. and we print y. Alright, so one thing guys, never do this fatal mistake, but you have to move this y declaration inside the loop. Only if you do that, the choice thing will be refreshed again and again each time the loop runs. Otherwise, the same thing will just come again and again. I'll show you what I mean. I'll just run that. That's two. See, it prints B B B B B again. The random module does not get refreshed, so we need to do that again inside the while loop. And sorry, by the way, this needs to be a different variable, so I'll just print that xy. And this is another variable x. Alright, so I will run that. Whoa, amazing, 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 amazing. Alright, so that's the first input, the random integer from 1 to 5, and the random element from list 1, which is y. And this, as long as x is smaller than 10, it prints a random element from this list over here. So you see that everything's random once we have moved that inside the loop. Okay guys, so I hope you found this video helpful, and please subscribe and like my video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, and have a good day everybody. Goodbye.